I'll follow only golden things.
Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Emma, if you don't already know, and this is my sewing channel. So do it, Emma. This is where I talk all about my sewing adventures, and maybe heels, and my fabric consumption, as well as pattern consumption. Oh, so I thought I would come on as a little FridaySews because I've not really been here for definitely over a week, and I acknowledge that. I do. So me made May. It's been going well. I think I just maybe missed one day, maybe two so far. There's not an aim to do it every day because sometimes life just gets in the way, as you know. Yes, but it's been going well, and I think before I started my memory, I knew there was some gaps in my wardrobe, and that's definitely treasures. Although I have sewn up treasures and I have got a few pairs, I feel like I'm just missing like a few more pairs. I could have a few more pairs, so I'm rotating a bit more. Different styles, I know, different colours, because I've got really nice bottom weights in my stash waiting to be used, and all different colours. Maybe not white or bright colours that mark easily. You know what I mean? Or yellow. No, I don't think I could see myself in yellow trousers, but I do have a pair of like the sienna Robert Koopman cotton twill one. That's a lovely colour. Yeah, but anywho, I'm on here to talk about that and a couple of other things. I have culled my me-made wardrobe. It's things that I no longer really wear and don't pick up, don't fit me. I don't see myself fitting into them anytime soon or ever. It was nice at the time when I did fit in them, but I think as time goes on, your style changes and all that jazz. So, with the culled me-made, I'm going to be putting them over to Destash For Palestine. So this is an Instagram destash. Instagram is where I destash my fabric anyway, so I have a destash account which isn't live at the moment, but once I see what sells on Destash For Palestine, I'll have a thing, and whatever doesn't sell, I will do it for second handmade September. Bon over in Glasgow do a reel where they invite makers to put their makes on the reel and someone buys from them and you get the proceeds. So yeah, so I'll probably do that as well. I feel like some people would benefit, especially if they're in my size range, and yeah, it's a shame just to have them in the wardrobe just sitting there doing nothing. So I will be doing that. There's just a slight hesitation because you've made it. It's not like ready to wear, you buy off the shelf and things, so it's personal. But I'm sure someone will buy it and love it and wear it, hopefully, or rejig it because it's a bit of material, and if the fit doesn't suit them, they're more than happy to take it apart and refashion it. As long as it's not sitting in my wardrobe doing absolutely nothing. So, I hesitated and hovered over this. But I was really intrigued to see what I'm going to try and cover up addresses. The Bagmakers box was like, after seeing Ruan's unboxing. She was gifted one of these, and I think she's been gifted another one by Studio 717. And after seeing hers the first time, I was like really intrigued. But I did hover until the very last minute until an email popped in my box. I've still got some left. Would you like one? So I bought this one. Let's open it. Ready. Ooh, nice tissue paper. I like the box. It kind of pops like a jack in the box. So let's thank you for your order. Studio 717.co.uk. Oh, it's like really intriguing because it's like got that shredded paper on top. This is gonna get messy. What? I see a leaflet. Welcome to the Bagmakers box. It's a bi-monthly box packed with goodies to inspire your next sewing project. Meet our suggested patterns and designers inside. And this is May 2024. I think it's every 3 months, if I'm right. And she gives you an idea of different bags. So it's one with Kite co-creates, and she features the Geordie. Then the Studio 17 or Studio 7T7. Yeah, it's not one. It's T. The walkies bag for dog walkies, which might be quite a good idea for my dog walker for her Christmas, or just a wee thank you, because she does a lot. She goes above and beyond, and I think she's brilliant. The third pattern is a quaint stitch, and she talks about the Aurora 3D pouch cross body, and you can scan and get 20% off the patterns, which is really good. The spoilers ahead. Okay. Okay. So, a bird and blend. Now, I've heard about this tea bag. This is butter brew. A wizarding wonder of creamy caramelly delight. Brewing time 4 minutes at 100 degrees. It's got black tea, Sri Lankan black tea, Kenyan black tea, Assam black tea, calendula petals, and natural flavouring. Oh, that sounds really interesting. So it must be like a butter beer kind of thing, tea style. So that's that. And then we've got, oh, these are cool. We've got a zipper pools in the shape of stars. Forgive me for my lack of. Oh, we've got stickers. So starry-eyed. And star stitcher. We have, I know someone who would love this zip. Damn it. So this is massive. This is 2 meters, 1.5 of black and rainbow zipper tape. 1.5 meters. I love this. This is gorgeous. Can I? Hopefully the stars will align this weekend and I can get what I'm thinking of. I will reveal it. This is such a good box. This is for rainbow for leather, so 12" by 53" roll. I'm always scared about sort of faux leather because even like when you get a bag maybe out of a shop and it's faux leather, it does like perish easily. Oh, the webbing is cool as well. Oh, I just hope the stars align. I'm going down to Sewn, so maybe I gift a little trip into First for Fabrics. But yeah, that is such a cool box. I'm so happy that I got it this month because completely right up my street. So, webbing for straps, zipper tape for zip, tee. One sticker fell on the floor and this sticker says starry-eyed. For leather. I'm trying to hold this all with one hand. Look at me, eh? And the zip pulls. I like that. I'm going to put it all back in this box so it stays in one place for the time being. What am I wearing? Before I forget, it's a Naya tee by Tammy Handmade, and I believe this goes up to a size 32, and was it 9 pages to print for this, which is amazing. 980 pages. Yes, I know. You didn't get that often. Now, remember on my Fabric Godmother unboxing, just last one, it's the Anya top. No, hang on. It was the Hera top blouse dress by Maverick pattern. I'll put the name there and I'll put a picture on as well. Anyway, that was the pattern that came with the Fabric Godmother dream wardrobe, and I already had it from another box, the autumn sewn box by Hey Sew Sister, which really badly at the time I was like, I don't know when I opened it. I didn't do an actual unboxing, but I have grown to like that fabric, so I need to do it. It's Knickknacks, the lovely Nicole. She's got a lovely version as well as Hey Sew Sisters Georgie. But without me rambling on, I am rambling, aren't I? It's a Thursday night and I'm just wishing it was Friday. I knew that if you had already that pattern, you could send this pattern back to Fabric Godmother, contact them via email and just explain the situation. They will offer you either the value back onto your account or give you the option of a different pattern. So I opted for the Aria top by Chalk and Notch. So they sent me this, and I think you get the link as well with this as well. They'll send me it via email, the link. for the instructions. So now I've got the area top, so I could actually make the area top out of the last box if I wanted to. Who knows? But I did see the area top and I really liked it. So it's a high and low back top, and I really like the look of it, so I will pop a picture in. Right, so the other purchase that I purchased was, I think it's Ethel and Joan. You know when you're blindsided at certain events like the Stitch Festival? I don't know if I actually saw them, but I did see the earrings. Did I get the earrings? Yeah, I got the earrings. I got 2 pairs. I got the cloud earrings, and I've got one in just this regular cloud, and then the most recent pair that I've got is the lilac and white one. So, she knows I like them. So, okay. This is what I mean. I do like Parma Violets. Yep. Little card. I love a card. I love this. So, going Clyde theme. I got the buttons. Don't know how I missed these, but I did. And when I realised I did, I had to order them when they came online. She said it would take a month or 2 after the Stitch Festival, which is rings a bell because they were loaded up in the beginning of May. So yes, so I managed to snag these. So I'll be happily stitching them onto one of my makes. Aha. So yes, what else? I've been doing sewing, but it's really for testers. So there's one dropping tomorrow, which will be today. So yeah, I'm recording this Thursday, so Friday you'll see this as FridaySews, so I can actually say it. So it's the Butano Button Up by Friday Pattern Company. This is a shirt. It has a collar stand, a proper collar, buttons, cuffs. You've got 1 or 2 views. You've got 2 views. You've got 2 optional sleeves, a short sleeve and a long sleeve. The long sleeves have got cuffs on them. Yeah, and it's a really, really nice. So it has got the optional front pocket. I've not put it on. And I sewed mine up in a cotton voile. No, I did not twirl it. I went straight for the nice fabric, and it worked out. There's a brilliant pattern matching as well. So, me smug? Oh no, not at all. So yes, so that happened, and I did my usual grading from the bust to the hip. So the bust was 1X, and the hip went to grade to 5X. So that was happening. I'm really happy with the fit. I might go up 6X, just give me a wee bit more room going forward, but overall I'm really, really happy. It's a wee bit more room if I'm going to wear it open. I feel that would be quite a good look for summer. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the photos that I've put in. The other tester was the Hera curve sweater. Now, when this came out a couple of years ago, the Hera sweater, standard sizes, I saw Sew It Curly. I might actually murder her name. Mike. She wore it. She is partly collaboration with the designer put it on the screen. My memory's so crap. I think the heat's got to me today. Plus I had a wee bit of hay fever this morning. Oh yeah, it's been a lovely day and work. Yeah, so that was that. So she must have had a few people going, oh, this is an amazing sweater, really like the details. Is it going to be available in a bigger size range? Because it only went up to a size 18, 16, maybe a 46, 48 at the time. But now it goes up to a size European 60. So, yes, really happy about that. So she reached out to me just before the testing started and asked if I would like to test, and I did. So I said yes, and I made it in French terry. It's quite a light one, so it will be perfect for like chillier evenings in like spring, summer. So yes, this is 22 degrees here when I'm filming this, so it's a wee bit warm, although it's not too warm up here, but it's going to get warmer as the year goes in. Yeah, there's been some hot days up in here, and then I've had to come back down because it's way too hot. It's like a greenhouse, so we need to think about that for the summer. I did see in Lidl's they had like cooling fans, so I might go and get one tomorrow just to be prepared. Anyway, to digress, so that was the Hera curve sweater, which is amazing. It comes in different optional sleeves, so you know, pleated, gathered, there's a funky tunnel one. I've got the thing here. So it might look a wee bit different to the finished one, but there's a creative sleeve, folded sleeve, small bishop sleeve, large bishop sleeve, pleated sleeve, and a puff sleeve, and I've done the pleated version. Okay, so that is that. I don't have the Friday Pattern Company instructions with me at the moment, so I can't show you the versions, but if I've got an illustration I will do, and I'll put a code up here so you get 25% off the launch date of the Butano Button Up Friday Pattern Company, so go and check that out. 25% off. It's a cracker. Yes, so that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. What have I been sewing? Like I said, testers. There's another one coming up by Nina Lee. I teased that on the other day when I was on Instagram. I got really chatty earlier this week, and then I went crashed and burned. I was like, it's not sustainable, this. So I've got in front of me, like, to finish the Davenport dress. You know that one that I showed you the other week there? This one. Got the Pietra trousers. And there's bright magenta. So might take that down to Sewtoon, as well as a tester by Nina Lee. I'm going to try and overlock that tomorrow when I come back in from work, and get that done as soon as I can, and maybe start sewing it, or at least get my bits together to sew it really quickly if I can, because I need to. Where's the time gone? Took me a while to actually cut it out, and I always leave it to the last minute. Yeah. What am I like? Okay, right, I'm going to go because this is coming up for 25 minutes, and yeah, I'm leaving spaces. I hope you've enjoyed my little mini catch up, see what I've been buying, what I've been up to. yeah, and I will be back hopefully early next week with a wee vlog, see what I've been up to with sewn, how far I've got on with the makes. Yeah, give you a bit of a catch up then. But take care, and I'll see you very, very shortly. Bye.
Close the chapter, dignified. Dang, girl, you did it again. But will it ever be enough when I'm bent on trying to keep it tough? Will I ever settle down, happy with the here and now? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? If only I could build a tower, pierce right through the clouds, saxophones at every hour. Who hasn't heard of me now? Then will I have had enough of trying to keep myself real tough? Will I ever settle down, steady even when it gets loud? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? When will it ever be enough? Ever be enough? Ever be enough? If only I could find a way to put an angel on your shoulder,